Polaroid cameras, one of the coolest things that I own in my opinion. Being a photographer myself, there's nothing quite the same as having a printed out picture of the exact moment that you took. I know you can just go out and print a picture that you've taken before, but there's something special about printing it out as you take it. G'day fellas, how's it going? So today we're going to be customizing this Polaroid camera. But a quick disclaimer that I want to say before this video starts, I'm filming this and today Gorks just released a video where he customized the Polaroid. Chloe Rose released a video of her customizing a Polaroid. So I guess I basically am hopping on the trend, but I don't know, I don't have an excuse. I wanted to do it earlier, but they did it before me, so thank you guys, this is inspired by you. Without further ado, I say we get into this art video.
Hello there. You undress me. Doesn't matter how far where we be. Fuck that attire, baby. This ain't designer, baby. Fuck that attire, baby. This ain't designer, no. This ain't designer, baby. Ooh. This ain't designer, baby. Ooh. Fuck that attire, baby. This ain't designer, baby. Eyes across the room. You came with your friends, I'm with the crew. But if you riding, then I'm riding too. Doesn't matter where we are, cause I'm right here with you. Baby, look what you started. You know I'm on it, ooh yeah. You say I'm your favorite artist. I go the hardest, ooh yeah. Cause you can take the lead, take it piece by piece, yeah. You want it, what you need, oh yeah. Piece by piece you undress me. Doesn't matter how far where we be. Fuck that attire, baby. This ain't designer, baby. Fuck that attire, baby. This ain't designer, no. This ain't designer, baby. Ooh. This ain't designer, baby. You can't set the mood, I can set the vibe, yeah. You got something new, something that I like, yeah. You can't take the lead, take it piece by piece, yeah. I got what you want and what you need.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. I think the end result turned out pretty cool and I loved using both acrylics and paint pens. As you guys can probably tell, this is a different background than you're used to. It's because I'm in a different place. I'm not going to tell you what place this is or give anything away because it's a future video coming and I'm going to leave you guys in suspense.
Can I be in it?
No.
Why?
Why do you want to?
Why not?
You're shirtless.
So?
What are you going to do?
I can show my nipple.
Why?
Why not?
I'm now joined by my brother. Alright Cal, and what should they do?
Go subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below.
And I will catch you guys next time. Peace!
Was that good?
Yeah, it was alright.
Come on!
I've drawn a wolf, and I think it's quite cool. You shut the door?
Are you done?
Yeah, but I gotta edit.
You're a donkey one.
You're a donkey one.
Whatever.
Okay.